3 tips for a startup business who has very little budget. Tip 1, make sure that your website and even social media platforms are built to convert. And on your website, make sure that on-page SEO is working well. If you're not sure how to do it, just look it up. Tip 2, when using social media, remember it's not all about creating loads and loads of content and throwing it on your page. People who see your posts are people that follow you, and that is pretty much it. So your starting point should be all about finding the relevant audience and getting them to follow your page. Tip 3, make sure you're writing relevant blogs. This is part of a bigger strategy, but it works all the same. If you've got the time, try and write 2 or 3 blogs per week and make sure the content is relevant to your industry. This will slowly start building an audience and slowly start adding more and more content to your website. In this game, content is king, so do make sure that everything is written in accordance to your industry and ensure that it has some sort of storytelling element. This will help you build your audience and also, like I said, add more content to your website.